Do you feel nervous when you speak English?
Do your hands feel a little cold, your heart beats faster, and suddenly all the English words disappear?
Yes, it's like I know the words, but I can't say them.
You're not alone. Many English learners feel this every day.
But why does this happen? Why do we feel nervous even when we study so much?
That's a very important question, Mia.
And today, we are going to find the answer. Hi everyone, welcome back to Mutual English Center.
We are very happy you are here with us.
Today's topic is very real and very emotional.
Yes, we will talk about something many learners feel but don't talk about.
Nervousness when speaking English.
And don't worry, we will not just talk about the problem.
We will also give you simple solutions.
So relax, take a deep breath, and stay with us.
James, why do I feel nervous when I speak English?
Let me ask you something first, Mia. When you speak English, what do you think about?
I think, what if I make a mistake? What if people laugh? What if I forget words?
Exactly.
So the problem is in my mind.
Yes, the fear starts in your mind.
But why does my mind do this?
Because your mind wants to protect you.
Protect me from English?
Not from English, but from embarrassment.
Oh,
Your brain thinks, if I speak and make a mistake, people may judge me.
so my brain tries to stop me?
Yes, like a guard.
Wow, that's interesting. I think I am afraid of making mistakes.
That is one of the biggest reasons.
But mistakes are bad, right?
No, Mia, mistakes are teachers.
Teachers?
Yes, every mistake teaches you something new.
But it feels bad.
I understand. Let me give you an example.
Okay.
Imagine a baby learning to walk.
They fall many times.
Exactly. Do we laugh at the baby?
No.
Do we stop the baby?
No, we encourage them.
Then why are you so hard on yourself?
I never thought like that. I also don't speak English much in real life.
That's another reason.
So practice is important.
Very important.
But I study grammar and vocabulary every day.
That's good, but speaking is like a muscle.
A muscle?
Yes, if you don't use it, it becomes weak.
So I need to use it more?
Exactly.
Sometimes I think too much before speaking.
That's called overthinking.
Yes, I try to make a perfect sentence.
And what happens?
I stay silent.
That's the problem.
So I should not think.
You should think, but not too much.
How?
Think simple. Speak simple.
I feel people will judge my English.
Many learners feel this.
Is it true?
Sometimes yes, but most of the time no.
Really?
People are busy with their own lives.
That makes sense.
And even if someone judges you,
Yes?
it does not stop your growth.
That's powerful.
Let me share a simple idea.
I'm listening.
Speaking English is like learning to swim.
Oh,
At first, you feel scared of water.
yes.
But when you enter slowly and practice,
You become comfortable.
exactly.
So fear becomes confidence.
Yes, step by step.
Dear viewers, do you feel this too?
Do you stay quiet even when you know the answer?
Do you practice alone but feel afraid in public?
It's okay.
You are not weak.
You are learning.
And learning takes time.
Start with small sentences.
Like, I am happy or I am learning English?
Exactly.
Practice daily.
Even for 5 minutes?
Yes, every day.
Say this, mistakes help me grow.
I like that. Speak English alone.
In my room?
Yes, it builds confidence. Don't focus on perfect grammar.
Focus on meaning.
Yes, so feeling nervous is normal.
Yes, it means you care.
And that is a good thing.
Remember, you don't need perfect English.
You just need to start.
Speak even if your voice shakes,
Try even if you make mistakes.
because every small step matters.
We believe in you.
And you should believe in yourself, too.
If you enjoyed learning with Mutual English Center,
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.
see you in the next lesson.
Take care and keep speaking.